So hi, good afternoon actually, yes. So I'll be taking you through the Canva course, the full graphics design with Canva course. So I want you to pay attention to every step. Okay. So 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 I sent you the course outline already. So this is the first thing we're going to be doing on graphics design, starting with the app we're going to be using, which is called Canva. You downloaded it already. So I'm going to open it. So this is the app, but I already have an account, so I'm going to log out, then use another Gmail to create an account. So I'm going to click add another account. So I'm going to continue with email, which is okay. So I'm waiting for it to load. Bro. Okay. Let me go back. I'm going to add another account again. Continue Google. So now I'm using another account. Um, academy01@gmail.com. I'm going to just add this. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to add this in, Let's add this. Oh no. Okay. 01 at gmail. That's come. So you can use any email you want to use. So I'm going to use this one instead. Creative. At gmail. Let's go. I'll click next. So I'm going to enter the password which I've already saved. Then click next. Continue. So then I'll go back to the main one that already allowed me to log in. So now, like, this is a new account I just created. So while it's still loading, so just click personal. No worry, just maybe later. So this is creating the account. Now it is ready. So I want you to understand that we have Canva free, which they have restrictive access to some things, while there's Canva Pro where everything is already free for you. You don't have to be restricted to only one part of the application. So right now, this is my Canva Pro. Actually, I'm in a team from one of my uncles. So this is my Canva free. This is my Canva Pro account. So I'm not going to be explaining what it can do. So here we have the course outline. So exploring the dashboard, which is what we're going to do. So on Canva, you can create anything from a document to a whiteboard, a presentation, social media posts, videos. You can even create a website. Then you can create, this is it, posters, logos, documents, flyers, resumes. So now you should understand that you have different Canva plans. We have free versus pro. So I'm not going to show you the versus pro. Just want you to understand. So just read through that. A Canva free account cannot do the same thing a Canva Pro can do. You can see it's a bigger and better version of the program with more features and functions that allow you to create impactful designs easily. So that is the difference. So I'm not going to touch any of that thing. I want you to create your account and send the screenshots. So from there we can start module 1 number 3.